Good morning everyone, my name is Madison and welcome back to my channel. It is about 6:30 and today is the start of classes. I am a student at Boulder and we're starting our sophomore year today. I have a class at 8:30, so I'm going to get up, make some breakfast, get ready, and maybe try to do a little bit of work beforehand. Yeah, let's get going, go to school. So because today is not only the first day of school, but it's also the first day of work, I am a Boulder aerospace engineering ambassador, so I'm kind of a peer mentor, things like that, do tour guides, but right now tours aren't happening for the program. But because of that, I was supposed to wear my uniform today, but I'm not really going anywhere, so I might wear it for work later just for the heck of it. But it just says SMED Aerospace on it, it says Boulder on the back, and then how cool is this? There's a little like buffalo made out of like stars. So cute. So I'll probably wear that later when I do have to do work to kind of make me get in the mood, feel ready. I don't know. Not quite sure what I'm doing at work today because I don't have anything set up yet, but we will see. I am now headed out to my first day of work. It is 12:40 and I'm walking over to East Campus where the aerospace building is, and I'm gonna practice giving some tours, things like that, but it shall be fun. I got my work shirt on that says SMED Aerospace. It's so cool. It's a little bit big and baggy, but it makes me feel like a badass and I almost feel undeserving. So kind of had an unproductive morning doing like random chore stuff, trying to figure out why our outlets were broken. So I just got off of work and I actually got my name tag. It's getting real. I'm feeling real official. I'm now headed over to my boyfriend's place to go do some homework. They gave me some free pastries and the boys are gonna love them. About to head to bed. I ended up doing some homework at my boyfriend's place, had some dinner there, and I came back and I'm gonna hop in bed. it already like feels like I've been here a week, and I've been here 2 days, have 1 day of class, and things are already crazy, but today was relatively productive, so I'll take it. But thank you all so much for watching. I love you all so much, and I will see you all